Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make ghost eyes. First, gather your materials. You'll need clear plastic or glass spheres, ideally 2 to 3 inches in diameter, to form the base of your spooky creations. Next, prepare your paints, white, black, and a touch of glow-in-the-dark for that extra eerie effect. Don't forget your paintbrushes, a fine tip marker, and a protective surface to keep your workspace clean. Let's get started on crafting these haunting decorations. Now, let's bring these eyes to life. Begin by applying a thin, even coat of white paint to the inside of each sphere. This will create the base for your ghost eyes. It's crucial to let this layer dry completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes, to prevent smudging. Once dry, use your black paint to carefully create a circular iris in the center, making it approximately 1 inch in diameter. This step truly defines the eye's character. With the iris in place, it's time to add the pupil and that essential eerie glow. Carefully paint a small, distinct black pupil right in the center of each iris. This detail adds depth and focus to your ghost eyes. Next, apply a thin, even layer of glow-in-the-dark paint over the entire white base. Make sure it's evenly distributed to ensure a consistent and bright glow when the lights go out. This step truly makes them hauntingly captivating. Almost done, the final touches will make your ghost eyes truly spectacular. Allow all paint layers to dry thoroughly. This might take several hours to ensure everything is set. For an extra touch of realism, use a fine tip marker to add subtle veins or small cracks around the iris. Finally, display your finished ghost eyes in dimly lit areas. The glow-in-the-dark paint will shine, creating a wonderfully spooky atmosphere for any occasion. Enjoy your haunting creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.